Good morning, guys. So it is 9:30. Got my coffee and a new sweater for today, which should be pretty impressive. I've lived in that other one for a while. Anyway, I thought I would update you guys. We have been visiting a friend's house, got ourselves a fresh shower, feel pretty clean, and did laundry and had good meals and laughs with friends. Cody did still work at the boatyard, but yeah, anyway, so we are putting things together still. There is parts that are still coming in. We're waiting on some stuff. It's hard to get anything like fully completed, which is a little bit, Cody gets a little depressed about it. Just like, you work on a project, but you can't finish it all the way because you're missing one piece, and it keeps happening. But we have, I'm on the last days of ordering, you guys, I think, hopefully. And we are hoping that we can get the mast back up soon. That's gonna be cool. And what else? Working on my kitchen. Very excited about that. But there's pieces missing. Working on the engine, working on the back. We are gonna paint the transom and we're gonna get the new name up. I got the lettering yesterday, so we're getting there, and we're gonna keep you posted. And have a good day. Also, actually, give me a comment below if there's anything that you want to see that I haven't shown, something that you would like to get a sneak peek of before the big boat reveal, which honestly, we had a deadline like today or tomorrow. Tomorrow's Millie's birthday. She turns 2. We're not gonna make that. Yeah, I know, you turn 2, don't you? She heard that. We've been practicing. She now sings herself the birthday song. And so, yeah, we had a deadline tomorrow. We're not going to make that, but that's okay. We got new friends that came into the boatyard yesterday, and we've been hanging out. They still have a lot of work to do, so we still got people, and that is always motivational. What do you want to say? Yeah, so we're living it up in this camper still. Hoping to get out of here by end of January. That is the new goal. All right, peace out.